Every year, an estimated 235,000 lives are lost at sea worldwide, and often, precious minutes are wasted in getting timely help. Introducing the future of beach safety, the Warwick Ocean Rescue Drone. Designed to reach the victim faster than a lifeguard, the drone is equipped with GPS to reach the general location of the victim before using thermal imaging to pinpoint their exact location. This process will be executed through a graphical user interface that will allow the lifeguard to guide the drone. Software capable of performing object detection using a thermal camera will be developed, allowing the drone to recognize and approach the victim autonomously. Once the victim has been successfully located, deployment cables will safely lower a lifebuoy to the person. This process will be executed through a graphical user interface that will allow the lifeguard to guide the drone by selecting a general direction to follow before autonomously carrying out its mission. An iterative design process and computer-based simulation is used to optimize the drone design. It is constructed of a durable and lightweight carbon fiber composite, allowing the drone to fly steadily while persevering through harsh maritime conditions. With our drone's help, the time taken for lifeguards to provide aid to victims would be greatly reduced, drastically increasing survival rates. The Warwick Ocean Rescue Drone envisions a future where technology can work hand in hand with emergency workers to help save lives one flight at a time. We are the Warwick Ocean Rescue Drone.